All right, let's get right into it. What if I told you there was a way, right now, to potentially triple your freelance income? And no, it's not some gimmick or weird trick. It's a huge shift happening in the market, and we are going to break down exactly what it is.
This is the number that changes everything. 3x. Freelancers who figured out how to use AI in their work. We're talking about things like AI automation, prompt engineering, that kind of stuff. They are charging on average 3 times more than other freelancers. It's it's just an insane difference. And we're not talking about a small bump here. Just look at the rates. An AI freelancer, you're seeing them pull in $75 to $200 an hour. Meanwhile, a traditional freelancer is more in that $25 to $65 range. That 3x premium? Yeah, it's absolutely real. So, I know what you're probably thinking. Okay, is this just a bunch of hype, or is there actual hard data to back this up? And that is the right question to ask. So let's dig into the proof, because the numbers are what make this story so wild. Now check out where this is coming from. This isn't some small poll. This is from Upwork's massive 2024 report, where they analyzed over 500,000 projects. And they say it, clear as day. AI freelancers command a significant premium. This isn't an opinion, it's a market-wide fact. Let's make it even more real. Let's just take content creation. On the left, you've got your traditional writer, maybe making about $25 an hour. But look to the right. The AI-powered writer, a whopping $75 an hour. It's the same field, but a totally different world when it comes to pay. And it's not just writing, not by a long shot. This table shows it all. You look at development, boom, from $50 an hour to $150. It doesn't matter if it's automation, consulting, you name it. The pattern is just undeniable. It's consistently right around that 3x mark. And it's not just one platform saying this. We're talking Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, TopTal, even grassroots surveys on Reddit with thousands of freelancers are all telling the same story. Everybody agrees. The industry has spoken. The 3x premium is legit. Okay, so the big question is why? Why on earth are businesses so willing, even eager, to pay 3 times more per hour? Well, it's not because AI is trendy. It all comes down to one simple thing: value. So let's break that value down. First up, speed. An AI freelancer gets the job done 3 to 5 times faster. Imagine that. Second, the quality is often just better. But here's the real kicker, the third point: a measurable, tangible return on investment for the company. And this right here is the key to the whole thing. If you're a business, paying a freelancer 3x more makes perfect sense if you're getting a 3x to, get this, 10x return on that money. It's not a hard decision, it's a no-brainer, it's just smart business. Okay, so we've seen the data, we get why businesses are all in, but let's talk about you. What does this actually mean for your bank account, for your career? Let's just run the numbers. So picture a freelancer working a pretty standard 20 hours a week at a good rate, say $40 an hour. You run the math, that's just over $41,000 a year. A solid part-time income, right? Now, watch this. Same freelancer, same 20 hours a week. But now they've got AI skills and they're commanding that 3x premium, $120 an hour. That yearly income explodes to nearly $125,000. Same hours, totally life-changing money. So what's actually causing this giant opportunity? Well, it's classic economics 101, the skills gap. To put it simply, businesses are desperate for people with AI skills. And, well, there just aren't that many of them. It's high demand meets super low supply. And this chart just lays it all out, plain as day. Look at that massive purple slice. 78% of businesses are out there trying to hire for AI skills. Now look at that tiny little green sliver. Just 2% of freelancers actually have those advanced skills. That gap, that's where the money is. It is a seller's market big time. All right, I know what some of you are thinking. Is this just a fad? A gold rush that's going to end once everybody catches up? And that's a fair question. Let's see what the data suggests. So if we look at the timeline here, this whole premium thing really started to take off back in 2022 with the whole ChatGPT revolution. By this year, 2024, it's become standard at 3x. And here's the crucial part. Analysts are projecting it's going to stay high, somewhere between 2.5 and 3x for years to come. This is not a flash in the pan. So here's the bottom line.
This 3x premium for AI skills, it isn't some temporary bubble. It's a fundamental shift. It's basically the new normal for anyone who wants to be a high-value freelancer.
And that really brings us to the final thought here. We've looked at the data, the economics, what it means for your own wallet. The evidence is overwhelming. So I guess the only question left to ask is, if you know these skills can triple your income, what's stopping you?